To all my women of color, to all my women in general, if you like to travel and you like to travel solo by yourself and you don't need no man, you don't need your kids. Thank God, no kids. This video is for you. Tune in, subscribe, set your notifications, cause baby, I don't even know what part we're gonna be on.
Big dog, hoe ain't getting no money. Big dog, do it for the grand, that big dog. Bitch wanna run with the big dog. Let me borrow this beat real quick. Big dog, big dog, freestyle. Big dog, bitches wanna run with the big dog. Ran up 100 in the money. Wish I was playing, but bitch I get money. No ice on my neck, you been me bird. Bust down my wrist and put diamonds in dirt. Show a little bitch I ain't playing, bird. Think she sweet, no ma'am. Do it for the grandmas, bitch. Let's go. Do it for the likes, little bitch. Let's go. Let's ayy. Bitch, I am not
a woman of color. Our biggest emotion that we encounter is fear. Fear. Listen, we fear the worst. We fear what someone else may have told us what could possibly happen. Okay, granted, anything can happen wherever you at, even in your local city, state, country. Don't move off the emotions. Face them. Okay, y'all, so update. Your girl got to her destination. Today it is July 29th. Yep, today is July 29th, and I just arrived at the Sea Angel Cruise Pier. Well, I will be island hopping from Fifi Islands, from Maya Bay to Kao, and a couple other different islands. Because of where I stayed in my villa is about 50 minutes to an hour away from the pier. I could have paid an extra fee for transportation. I've been to this island maybe 10 plus times, and this is my first time traveling by myself, so I'm like, hello, I know this island like the back of my head, plus I ain't done sightseeing. Bitch, I'm finna drive. Let me take you on a trip to the Fifi Islands. When I tell you, it was the most beautiful, just, oh my gosh. Now, I've been to Fifi Islands before, years ago, and I missed Maya Bay. That's the only one I didn't go to. So we experienced Maya Bay, we experienced the Fifi Lagoon. The Fifi Lagoon is what you're encountering right now. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It looks like a postcard, literally. Like, what you see when you Google Fifi Islands, that's literally how it looks. Big rock, just grass, greenery, luxury. I'm a water sign anyway. I'm a Pisces, so this is just making my day even more, just describing it to you. So I am currently in the Maya Bay, where you have to take one of these long tail boats, and I rented one for me. It's private, you know what I'm saying? And then that's look. They love me out here, and I love them too. Look at all these people just staring at me like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look at this family right here, they've been staring at me so long, y'all. Go travel, fill that passport stamp up, baby. And I feel like Thailand, Phuket should be your first stop. Another island right now. The coffee is really good. And right now I'm just chilling on the beach. You know, it's raining. It's not raining that much right now. But it's very soothing, breathtaking. Something that's needed. So the coffee on this island is 150 baht, which is equivalent to a couple dollars, literally. And believe it or not, it's expensive. on this little island versus at Phuket. So that lets you know right then and there. The American dollar go a long way, baby. I've been taking advantage of it. I mean, while I've been dibbling and dabbling, I be like, oh my gosh, like, she don't think that's high. Girl, no, $5, girl, $5. If you guys have not had any authentic Thai food, Thailand is the place to go to get the taste of a lifetime. I'm talking about, they don't even use like seasoning. They use like herbs, and it tastes like every seasoning in a book, but it's just, I don't know how to explain it, you guys. Thai food is on the top of my list. Even when I go back home, I always eat Thai food, always order. It's a beautiful setting. It's right off the strip in front of Patong Beach. And they got a lot of different Thai, steak, seafood. So look, it's literally the strip.
You want Coke now with our discount?
Let me try this right here. Coca-Cola or Pepsi? These are the wonderful waitresses, okay? I'm gonna do a seafood salad. I think it's the Pei Myung. Yep. Let me get chicken. And then I'm gonna get a mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice on the last.
Yep. Also, I have my tray. I have my chicken curry. As you can see, I forgot to record when I first had my seafood salad, so I ain't got the seafood salad no more because I ate it. But I have my chicken curry, and we got a special guest. I guess you don't want to speak. One of their main dishes is mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice is actually a dessert of theirs. Yeah, it sounds crazy, sticky rice, like rice for dessert, but it also comes with this coconut cream that you pour on your mango and your rice, and it's just the combination that you didn't know was needed. Like literally, it's very needed. Thai food consists of a lot of curry, curry paste, curry sauce, seafood, sushi, noodles. Very, 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 very good. There's a couple restaurants that I watch of this guy who goes to Thailand and other countries and review Michelin restaurants. I just got finished having breakfast, and it is 7:51 a.m. in the morning. I feel refreshed. I think I'm going to go feed the elephants and try the Yona Beach Club yachts, which I heard is litty. And then we're gonna see what else we're gonna get into. You know, y'all know I go wherever I feel like going. I just go with the flow. But all right, y'all, I will see you guys. Okay, so I'm at the Elephant Sanctuary. It's a lot of sanctuaries in Phuket, Thailand, so just be sure that you do your research. You look up what sanctuary you like, if they do what you want to do. I go here every time I come to Thailand, so I'm just used to the people. I'm used to how they run their elephants and things like that. So today, because your girl's looking like a Barbie doll, I am not getting in the pool to watch the elephant. I'm not doing it this time. However, I will feed the elephant, walk with the elephant. I'm not even going to ride the elephant. I have this long ass skirt on, but it's an Instagram and TikTok moment, okay? So, baby, content. And I'm going to give it to y'all. Y'all know I'm going to give it to y'all. Rah! Stay tuned. So I'm here at the Elephant Sanctuary. I used to come here anytime I come to Thailand, so it's very high recommended. When all y'all be asking, oh, where'd you swim with the elephants? Where'd you get to walk and do pretty much what you want with the elephants? It's in Phuket, Thailand. The place, I will drop it down below so you can see where to book it. And you can say I referred you, okay? Just say Big Bro, not the little one, okay? bucket list scratched off 2.0. Okay, I gotta get y'all ass up to go travel.